Easy now, bring it down slow. Okay, it's seated, we are clear.
Safety system certified.
Ready for test. Ready for test.
Six inches, perfect quality pass.
Let's go inside and see how a black car crusher is born.
Left.
'Tested and functioning.
If limit switch closed and pressure below 5,000 psi, then extend cylinder. Crush cycle sequence.
5,000 psi limit set.
$50 gallons, 75 gallons, 100 gallons, full.
Bring the left side down easy. Check the floor bolts. Make sure they seat properly in the groove. Start tightening those bolts now.
Clear! Okay, easy now, hold it steady. Looks aligned, boss. All right, get the pin in, send it home. Yeah, that's it. Nice job, everyone. Easy now, bring it down slow. Okay, it's seated, we are clear.
It's holding tight.
Safety system certified.
Ready for test. Ready for test!
Six inches, perfect quality pass.
Six inches, perfect quality pass.
This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.